Hi, and welcome to Element Z3. Do keep liking and showering your love with the help of subscribing as well. And we'll keep coming up with loads of informative videos. Today we are again dealing with geometry. And in geometry, our objective is to describe the sides and angles of rectangles and squares. Since we see all rectangles have two sets of parallel lines, we will understand the basic and then towards the end we will solve some examples. So my 40 mm, if I convert, is nothing but 4 centimeters. 25 mm I converted to 25 centimeters, right? And these boxes, like I told in my previous video, these are nothing but our right angles, which is 90 degree. Therefore, we use the symbols to show the lines as parallel. When they are saying symbols, they mean is these arrows. So this line is parallel to this one. And you see this single arrow? Okay, so this is actually reflecting another set of parallel lines. So each pair of parallel lines in a rectangles are same length. When they are saying same length, what they mean is if this is 52 mm, this is also 52 mm. If this is 33 mm, this is 33 mm. So you see how these both set of parallel lines are actually parallel and of same length, that is the same value or same size. Since we saw how the parallel lines are of same length, let's go ahead and understand few more basics. Both these rectangles are special, right? These both. Why they are special? Because here we are referring to a square as a rectangle, all right? So here if you see my square is a rectangle and all four sides are of equal length. So you see why it is special? Let's go to the second one. All the sides are the same length. These rectangles are also called squares, okay? These rectangles are also called squares since we are doing in quadrilateral, and we had seen how in quadrilateral it's a special case where my square is a rectangle. So this basic of if in case you come across an example which talks about all sides are equal, whether it's a rectangle or not, please do not get confused, and that is how we will find our value. After understanding the basics and explanations, let's try to solve questions and we'll try to answer them. So first question says, list all the parallel sides for each shape. The first one is done for us. So that is how we see the arrows, these two arrows, like I explained in my beginning of the video, at the beginning of my video. So first one is done for us. That is of this, they have showed AB is parallel to CD, right? This AB is parallel to CD. Let's go to the next one. So here we see the arrow, there's only one set of parallel lines that they have shown. Therefore, I will write IL is parallel, okay, is parallel to JK, right? Then I'll go to the next one where I have two sets. I'm coming to this figure. I've got two sets of parallel lines. So I have these two arrows which are depicting who is parallel to whom. So I will say MO is parallel to PN, right? Two arrows to two arrows. And MP is parallel to ON, right? Let's go to the next figure now. That is my RSTQ, because here we don't see any parallel lines in this figure, so that's why we came to RSTQ. Again, my symbols that denote RS is parallel to TQ, and RT, the second symbol that we will see is this one, is parallel to SQ. So I hope we have covered all the parallel lines. Let's go to the next one. Here it is saying use a ruler to answer the question. List all the squares. So when I measure, I see that this is the one which has got all sides same. Even if you see, sometimes we can guess by seeing as well. So my figure that is square is MONP. Now they are saying list all the rectangles. But of course, my rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this parallel thing, the parallel lines denoting, is what will help me to determine the same. So I can say A, B, D, C, and I have MONP, right? That's the reason in explanation I clarified that in this we have an exception where the square is also a rectangle. Now they are asking us to list all the quadrilaterals. But of course, they all are quadrilaterals. Therefore, let's start listing from the beginning. That's my ABDC, MONP, ILKJ, and finally comes as my RSQT. So this is how we can actually meet our objective, which is to describe the sides and angles of rectangles and square. We saw how square is a special rectangle as well, and the denotation of the parallel lines is with the help of these arrows as taught. I hope you like the video. Keep liking and subscribing. I'll meet you the other time with some new information. Thank you.